Ever wondered how the most successful investors make their decisions? Well, one of their key tools is fundamental analysis. Welcome to a journey that will unravel the mysteries behind this essential technique. Fundamental analysis, the cornerstone of astute investing, is a method that evaluates a security's intrinsic value. It meticulously examines a myriad of related economic, financial, and other qualitative and quantitative factors. Simplified, it's about comprehending a company's true worth that extends beyond its stock price. Imagine the process of buying a house. You'd want to analyze its foundation, the surrounding neighborhood, and its overall condition, right? Fundamental analysis serves a similar purpose for stocks. It assists in assessing the health and potential of a company before you decide to invest. Now, why is fundamental analysis vital? Consider this scenario. You're contemplating investing in a tech company. The stock might be skyrocketing, but what if the company is submerged in debt or grappling with management issues? This is where fundamental analysis comes into play. It's akin to a financial GPS, guiding you through the labyrinth of the market, helping you make informed decisions and steering clear of possible pitfalls. Breaking it down further, fundamental analysis involves scrutinizing a company's financial statements, the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These documents disclose a company's revenue, expenses, assets, and liabilities, providing a comprehensive snapshot of its financial health. Key indicators such as earnings growth, profit margins, and debt levels are vital to understanding the company's stability and growth potential. Remember, investing is not just about the present, but also the potential future. To put theory into action, recall the global financial crisis of 2008. Investors who adhered to fundamental analysis observed warning signs in the housing market and financial institutions. They were better prepared and could navigate the storm more effectively. Even today, legendary investors like Warren Buffett credit their success to a robust understanding of fundamental analysis. It's not about timing the market, but understanding the companies you invest in. In essence, the power of fundamental analysis is undeniable. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, incorporating this method into your investment strategy can make a significant difference. Until our next deep dive into the world of finance, happy investing!